Hey, what's up guys, Nagesh here. Welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to learn how to select a stock for swing trade. So let me show you how I select a stock for swing trade, and there is no shortcut and there is no screeners and there is no indicators. You have to do manually. So let me show you how exactly I select a stock for swing trade. Okay, so let's start the video without wasting the time.
Okay guys, welcome back again. In this video we are going to learn how to select a stock for swing trade, okay, without using indicator and without using any screeners. Why? Means because in stock market, most of the people, or more than 95% of the people, they will use indicators or a screener to select a stock or take a position. For example, they may use RSI or MACD or moving averages, but we are not going to do that because the thing is, we have to do what others are not doing. We don't need to follow the crowd. So let me show you how I exactly select a stock for swing trade. We have to do this manually. Okay, what I do is I'll just draw the pattern, whether it may be a triangle or a channel. Okay, so it doesn't matter, it may be a triangle or a channel. We will go through one by one stock. If we have any opportunity, only we will draw the pattern, or else we will leave as it is. Okay, don't forcefully draw any patterns. If you did not find any reversals, please just ignore and go to the next stock. So first stock is Chola Finance. So let me see what first. So what I do first, I will go to weekly time frame. So I'll see whether I have any opportunities or not. I'll see whether I have any good patterns. Then after that, if I did not see any patterns, I'll go to daily time frame. So let me see what I can draw on this particular chart. So what you have to do, you just have to connect the reversals. Okay, for example, I have these three reversals, 1 2 3 reversals. Okay, at the top. At the bottom I have this reversals. For example, don't think that I have to draw triangle or I have to draw channel. You may you just have to connect the reversals. So for example, I have connected 1 2 3 reversals, right? Under at the bottom I have 1 2 3, almost three reversals. Consider that this is a support, this is the resistance. Okay, so now this particular stock is in exactly this level, the resistance level. So if you see, this is the resistance level. If this breaks with a good bullish engulfing candle, you can go ahead and take up a trade. You just keep this on your stock. Okay, so let me go to next. Let me delete. Okay, let me go to weekly, and no, I don't see anything in the weekly. And daily, no, I don't see anything, any pattern on this particular. Okay, let me go to our chart, hourly chart, also nothing. And next is IRCTC. Let me delete this one. Let me go to weekly time frame. Weekly, it was pumping, now it's coming down. Let me go to the daily time frame. So what I have here, for example, let me connect these reversals and this. So no, we just ignore, and again next, conquer what we had here. So let me go to weekly, and this is the weekly time frame and this is the daily time frame. What we have here, as I told you, we just have to connect the reversals, but I don't see any pattern here. So we'll go next. Trend, what I can see, let me go weekly time frame, let me go to daily time frame. So you just have to adjust and see, scroll up, scroll down, and see whether we have any reversals or any opportunity. Okay, so I can connect this one and this one. So if you see this particular pattern, it look like channel pattern. The stock went again, came down. We have almost 1 2 3 4 support. At the top we have 1 2 3 4. It has given the breakout. So you just keep this stock on your radar. When it's come to the retest here, this support level, because this resistance becomes support now. If this take a support from this level, you can take up a trade. It may retest this level and it may go up like this, or it may come down like this. Anything is possible, but you can keep this stock on your radar and see what happens on Monday. Okay, so this is a good breakout. What happens, it may touch this, a trend line, again it may bounce back. Okay, so again we got two stocks to keep this on the radar. Again, what we have, SRF. Let me delete this. So SRF, let me connect this and this. Okay, so as of now we don't have any opportunity on this particular stock, but you can keep this stock on your radar. If the stock comes here, you can buy. So in the future it may come here and you can buy here from here only. Okay, so let me go to next. Balkrishna. Let me delete everything. Let me see if I have any pattern or something. This is a weekly time frame, daily, and nothing as of now. Let me go to 1 hour time frame. No. We have this stock. Okay, just ignore. I don't see anything in that. And Godrej. Let me go to weekly time frame. No, I don't see anything. Let me delete. Let me go to daily. No, it's keep on falling. 1 hour. Let me go to 1 hour. No, I don't see anything. Yes, Tata Power. What we have here. Let me go to weekly time frame. No, daily time frame. So let me connect this reversals and this reversals. So you can keep this stock on your radar. Tata Power. If this particular resistance broken, you can take up a trade, and simply don't take. If you see any very good volume, very good bullish engulfing only, you can take up a trade. You can keep this stock on your radar. And next what we have is Metropolis. Actually the 52-week low. You can keep this stock on your radar also. This is also works. If you see any bullish engulfing or any good volume, you can keep this stock on your radar. And again Hindustan Petroleum. Oh my god. Okay, let me delete this one. I have here, let me draw this rejection and this. So as of now we don't have any opportunity. DLF weekly time frame, daily, 1 hour. So DLF 1 hour, we can you can keep this in your stock. You can keep this stock on your radar. You just see whether if this broke, and you can enter, and you can keep a small target and small stop loss. And if you are entered based on 1 hour, don't hold it for a long. You just have to close within 2 or 3 days. Okay, so DLF, you can keep this stock on the radar. And again next is RT India. Let me go to weekly. No. 1 hour. No, I don't see anything. So no. What is this? BNB. Let me delete. Let me go to weekly time frame. Weekly time frame. If you see weekly time frame now, we have a good resistance here, and at the bottom we have, consider that this is a support. Okay, let me go to daily time frame. Again I can see this support level. So you can expect that if this particular stock comes to this particular place, this support level, you can expect bounce back from here to here. But simply do not enter. You just have to see whether you can see any. If you see any bullish engulfing or any bullish pin bar, you can enter, and you can keep the stop loss below, small stop loss, and you can aim till here the target. Okay, let me connect this reversals and this reversals, but right now we don't have any opportunities. So next we have Punjab Chemical. What we have in Punjab Chemical, I can draw this. I can connect this one. So you can keep the Punjab Chemical in your stock watch list, because the stock is taking support from this particular level. And next, no, I don't see anything here also. Yeah, NMDC, I can see this level, and again at the bottom I can see this support. So you just keep this stock NMDC. If you see any buying momentum, you can buy it. And again here we have right now we don't have any buying opportunity actually. So let me draw the pattern, and this is how I select the stock. Okay, because I have around 200 to almost 200 to 250 stock over here. So I'll just go one by one. If I see any buying momentum like this, for example, see, I'll just try to connect the reversals. That's it. I'm not doing anything, and there is no in my mind that I have to draw triangle pattern only or a channel pattern only. No, I have to connect the reversals. For example, consider that I have connected this reversal. See, this has already given the breakout, but you can wait until this it may come to retest and it may bounce back. And there is no shortcut, because this is little bit work, of course you have to do yourself. So for example, you can go to screeners and you can all time high, all time low, you can select that. But as per me, I have tried everything, but it was not working for me. So I have left screeners and all these indicators and all. So what I do is I just go one by one. If you take up a 10 trade, in that 10 trade, if you lose 4 trade also, if you win at least 6 trade, still you'll be in the profit. So there is no shortcut. Shortcut will not work for long term. What I suggest you is you also do the same. You just have to go through the all stocks one by one and just start drawing the patterns. First it will be a difficult only. It's very difficult to draw patterns, because first time it's not when I started draw patterns, for me also it was very difficult. I don't know what to draw, because I always think of triangle and channel pattern. For example, I wanted to draw triangle pattern. For example, see, there is no pattern here. What I used to do is I draw like this, and I just I used to draw like this. So see, I got triangle pattern, but you are not supposed to draw like this. Don't think about triangle pattern or channel pattern. You just have to connect the reversals. For example, I have reversals here, reversals, again this reversals. See, whenever the stock comes to this particular place, take up a trade, or when this breakout, when it give breakout, I'll take up a trade. Simple. The funda is, if the risk is less, you can go ahead and take up a trade, and don't deploy all the capital in one particular stock. You have to bifurcate at least 8 to 9% in one particular stock. Okay, nothing is there again here, nothing. So what happens, for example, if you entered 5 stock, if 3 stock in profit, 2 stock is in loss, so it's fine, that 3 stock will cover this 2 stock loss. Okay, so you don't need to be like enter you don't need to be put all your money in one stock. So this is how you have to select the stock for swing trade. Okay, so this is swing trade. Okay, this is not for long term. If this is for long term, I would have done my fundamentals. I would have checked what is the P ratio and all the stuff. Anyway, I'm not doing any long term investments. I'll do only swing trade. I just do I do trade based on the price action. So okay, so next, no, we don't see anything. Oh my god, what is this? Nothing. Yeah, that's it. I guess we came to Chola Finance. So this is how you have to go one by one. We have to check each and every, not each and every time frame. Check first weekly time frame, and then daily, then 1 hour. Okay, it will take time. Initially, if you are a beginner, it may take 2 hours or 3 hours also. Once you become used to it, become an expert, you can make it in half an hour, because how the exactly pattern looks like. Okay, you don't need to be drawing the patterns every day, because anyway you are not a day trader. If you are a day trader, you have to check every day, right? If you are a swing trader, you don't need to check every day the charts. Okay, you just check weekly twice is enough. And if you're very dedicated, you can check weekly thrice also. You don't need to you don't need to follow anyone. You just have to take a trade which is having a very less risk. Okay, so this is how I select a stock. I'll just keep those stocks on my watch list. If I see any breakout or any buying momentum, something like that, I'll just enter with my stop loss. Okay, I never forget my stop loss. Doesn't matter what happens, if your stop loss hits, you have to exit. So doesn't mean that you have to you just wait until the day. If the candle closes below your stop loss, you can go ahead and exit that particular trade. Okay, so this is it, I guess. So I think you learned something from this video, how to select a stock for swing trade. If it's as, please subscribe to my channel and hit like and click that bell icon, so you will get a notification whenever I upload a video. So thank you for watching this video with the patience. See you next time.